In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Discord. If you've ever wanted your messages to stand out, look clearer, or emphasize key points in a conversation, these simple formatting tricks will help. Discord uses a lightweight system often called Markdown, which means you add small symbols around your words to style them. I'll explain exactly what to type, and I'll give you tips to avoid common mistakes so your message looks just the way you want. Let's start with bold text. To make something bold, type 2 asterisks before your word or phrase and 2 asterisks after it. Think star star, your text star star. For example, 2 asterisks, the word hello, then 2 more asterisks. Make sure there aren't extra spaces between the asterisks and the text, or it won't work. For italics, you have 2 options. You can use a single asterisk on each side or a single underscore on each side. So it's 1 star, your text, 1 star, or 1 underscore, your text, 1 underscore. Both produce the same slanted effect. If your message already includes underscores, using asterisks can be cleaner. To underline, place 2 underscores before and after your text. That's underscore, underscore. Your text, underscore, underscore. Again, keep the symbols snug against the text without spaces so the underline shows up properly. Strike through is great when you want to indicate something is removed or corrected. Add 2 tildes at the start and 2 tildes at the end. The tilde is the small squiggly line. Many keyboards place it near the top left. So it's tilde tilde, your text, tilde tilde. You can also combine styles. For bold and italic together, use 3 asterisks on each side. That's star, 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 your text, star, 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 giving you a bold and slanted look. And if you want bold plus underline, wrap your bold text with the underline symbols. First, make the text bold with 2 asterisks on each side, then add 2 underscores outside of that. In other words, it's underscore, underscore, then star, star, your text, star, star, and finally underscore, underscore. A few quick tips as you type. Include punctuation inside the symbols if you want it formatted too. If you see something not rendering, check for stray spaces or mismatched pairs of symbols. On mobile, you may need to long press or switch keyboards to find the underscore, asterisk, and tilde. That's it. Bold, italic, underline, strike through, bold plus italic, and bold plus underline. Practice a couple of lines in a test channel, and soon you'll format messages confidently and clearly in any Discord conversation.